I think you have to start with the end in mind. So what is the objective of the investment? Are you trying to get an incredible rate of return and turn the littlest amount of money into the biggest amount of money? Or are you trying to have stable returns? And what sort of risk profile, right? People often just say, well, what's the best investment? Well, you have to start with, what am I trying to accomplish? But I think some universal principles that you have to understand is like, you have to understand what you're investing in. So if you don't have a full understanding of putting your money into it, then you should pass. That doesn't mean that the thing wasn't a great investment. It just wasn't a great investment for you because you don't understand it, right? That's called your sphere of competency. Also, people, assets are the few things they generally don't buy on sale. So when their favorite clothing company runs a 30% off sale, they want to buy it. But when their favorite stock that they believe in the thesis, meaning they think that whatever got it to this price is going to continue, when it gyrates 30% and it's 30% off, people run away and get scared. So you have to be opportunistic and buy things when they're out of favor with most other people in the market, which is a contrarian thought. Then you want to be able to stay in the game. Part of investing is staying through the cycles, understanding why you own something. And if the reason that you thought owning it made sense is still there or magnified, then likely that investment is still a good idea, or maybe even a more attractive idea. So you have to know why you bought it. You have to understand the fundamentals, and you have to stay in the game. And then also an investment. You also shouldn't invest money that you're not prepared to walk away from, because if that money goes away and it alters your life, now you're an emotional investor. You're not a financial investor. So you need to not overinvest, understand what you're investing for, and understand that you're investing for tomorrow. So if Blockbuster's videos are super well ran and they have a great culture, but what is the future for Blockbuster? Not good. I'm not going to buy into something that the future of it is not where I want it to be. So you make an investment with the belief that that asset class or that business will be of greater value. Why is it of greater value? It's more relative and more needed to society. And then you have to enter that investment at an attractive price.